Let me ask you a question. Have you ever worked so hard on something and nobody cared? You sent the link to your friends, no one replied. You started a business, no one supported it. You asked for help and all you got was silence. Let me tell you the truth I learned the hard way. No one is your friend when you are building. When you're weak, when you're broke, when you're confused, you're alone. And it's not personal. It's just how the world works. So don't cry. Learn. People don't believe you because they only understand two languages: results and value. When I told people in 1999 that I was going to build the biggest internet company in China, they laughed. I couldn't code. I wasn't rich. I had no investors. They didn't believe me. Not because they hated me, but because I didn't prove anything yet. The world doesn't owe you belief. You have to earn it. Being alone is not a punishment. It is a gift. Silence is where you become dangerous. Solitude is where your ideas grow. Isolation is where you build your edge. Everyone wants a crowd, a circle, a community. But you need something more powerful: conviction. You must walk alone before anyone follows you. Let me tell you about my rejections. KFC came to Hangzhou. 24 people applied, 23 got accepted. I was the only one rejected. I failed university entrance exams twice. I applied to Harvard 10 times, rejected every time. Nobody was clapping for me. Nobody said, "Jack, we believe in you." Even my family told me, "Just find a normal job, stop dreaming." But I didn't listen to them because I had one thing left: belief in myself. When no one chooses you, choose yourself. We live in a world that celebrates outcomes, not effort. You work 18 hours a day, nobody cares. You fail 20 times, but keep trying, still nothing. But the moment you succeed, the moment your company goes public, everyone claps. That's why I tell young people, don't expect applause, expect resistance. Because applause is not for the ones who start, it's for the ones who survive. In silence, you must build your vision, self-discipline, patience, mental toughness, daily habits. This is where the real work happens. No one's watching. No one's cheering. No one's liking your post. And that's exactly when you must not stop, because the work you do in silence will echo for the rest of your life. Let's talk about support. You expect your friends to understand your grind, your family to share your vision. That's a mistake. Their job is not to dream your dream. That's your job. Most people love you, but only within the limits of their own mindset. So don't get angry when your family tells you to settle. Don't get frustrated when your friends don't show up. Use it. Fuel it. Build anyway. You don't need motivation, you need a system. Train like this. Wake up early. No one claps. Study while others party. No one notices. Sacrifice comfort. No one thanks you. But when the results come, they will all ask, "How did you do it?" And your answer should be, "I did it alone." When no one believed in me, this world is full of contradictions. When you fail, they laugh. When you win, they act like they knew it all along. You must not get bitter. You must get better. Don't argue. Don't explain. Don't try to prove. Win quietly. Let your results speak. Because when you win, you don't just get attention. You get power. Pain is your coach. Loneliness is your gym. Rejection is your teacher. Every time someone says no, say thank you and keep moving. You want to be strong, then stop waiting for the world to understand your pain. Use it. Make your pain your practice. Make your scars your strategy. You'll win, but the road is long, and when you finally win, when you finally succeed, don't forget the early days. Don't forget the empty room, the long nights, the doubt, the silence. Carry it with you because it keeps you grounded. It keeps you real. When you win, people will want your secret. They will say, "How did you do it so fast?" But you'll remember, it wasn't fast. It was years of pain, thousands of failures, countless lonely mornings. You earned it, not because the world believed in you, but because you believed in yourself long enough for the world to notice. So I'll leave you with this. If you're building alone right now, keep going. If you're walking alone, good. That means you're in control. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are just early. Walk alone, build alone, win alone. And one day, they'll all say, "I always believed in you." Just smile and keep walking. Thank you.